Good morning from Jones Island, Washington. I'm making one of our favorite boat breakfasts, breakfast quesadillas. So I'm starting with some sauteed veggies. I just found what I had in the fridge. And then I have 2 eggs and a half of a cup of liquid egg whites from Costco, reduced fat Mexican cheese, and Mission organic whole wheat tortillas. So I'm going to next remove the sauteed veggies and just scramble up some eggs. And then after that, I will remove those, put in a tortilla, top that with a little bit of the cheese and the egg, and then a little bit more cheese, and then another tortilla. The cheese just acts as glue. And so then I'm just going to toast that a little bit and serve it with some salsa and some reduced fat sour cream. And here's the final product. And I've got some mixed berries